This is a 3D printed, single-acting air engine model. Major components are air blower, the engine cylinder, engine piston. The front wheel has rubber bands for stability purpose. The rear wheel is the end of compound gear train. A compound gear ratio of 1:100 is designed here. This increases torque by reducing speed. It is designed in such a way to reduce direct load to the air engine. This helps to maintain engine stability. This is the drive gear from engine. The flywheel helps to maintain steady load output from the air engine. The model is completely 3D printed using PLA plastic. An ideal STEM kit to learn about conversion of energy and compound gear mechanism.